Hi guys, this is a short video on how to change the battery of the key fob for a 2019-2020 Toyota Corolla. Alright guys, it is very simple. All you do is, if you notice, there is a small, very small space right here. You can use another key, or you can use a flat screwdriver, and you turn. Very easy. This comes out. Always good to open it with the main side facing down, because these buttons fall off and you can easily lose them. So open it with it facing down. As you can see, they are all individually put in place. So if you turn it upside down, they will fall down. So it's always good to just lay them there. And now you have this one here. But if you look underneath here, it gives you the instruction on how to go inside. I don't know if you can see it clearly. It says use coin to open, and then it shows an arrow. So I got my magic coin here that I'm going to use, and all you do is you put it there and you screw it, turn around and lift it up. As you go around, squeeze again, and that's just it right there. It comes out really easy, and there you go. Now it's simple. All you do is you prop this aside, or you use a little screwdriver to lift this up. Push this little knobs that hold it in place outward. It will just pop up or pop off. But I'm not going to change this battery. I'm just using this for an illustration purpose only. And the battery, it uses a CR 2016 3-volt. And remember, the plus side is always up on this one. And to replace it is very easy. After you've replaced the battery, all you do is you tightly fit this back together, lift it up, lift the cover up gently so the push buttons don't fall off, and you place this carefully inside, and that's it. So guys, please like, subscribe, comment below. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.